I'm Emma and I'm at World Beverage and I'm with Stan from AB InBev, who's just won Best Manufacturing and Processing Award. So how do you feel?
Well, it feels great, of course. We are very proud to win this award because I was member of the team that developed Pure Draft. So this is a great recognition for 10 years of development work by the whole team at AB InBev.
Great. And so what does it mean for the company now?
Well, of course, we believe that this is a great innovation that will give a new draft experience to consumers and bar owners alike. And that's because it gives more freshness to beer in the bar. And very importantly, it reduces carbon footprint when we're shipping beer internationally.
Awesome. Well, congratulations, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
I will do. Thank you.